Oracle Cloud Movement Requests. Hi, my name is Linus Ally and I created this free, easy to follow course so that anyone can learn how to use Oracle Cloud's movement request transaction in less than 1 hour. Together, we will walk step by step through how to create, find and change existing movement requests in Oracle Cloud. And best of all, if you have any questions while taking the training, you can reach out to me directly at any time. So let me show you how to get started right now. Step 1. Go to Panameer.com, or if you hate typing, click the link below. Step 2. From the main menu, select Learn, then New Courses, then End Users, and click on Supply Chain Execution. From the Supply Chain Execution page, click the Enroll button within the Inventory Management Learning path and start learning immediately. Don't miss out on this easy-to-learn opportunity. In fact, the whole course is completely for free for the next 30 days, so what are you waiting for? Go check it out right now and I'll see you inside of this free course.